Okay, so you may have the need to factory reset your Chromebook for whatever reason. And the way to do it is simple. There's 4 keys you hit simultaneously, and they are Control, Alt, Shift, and the letter R. Do them all at the same time, and you'll see this pop-up appear on your screen. Reset this Chromebook. In the lower right corner of that pop-up, it says Powerwash. That's Chrome OS speak for factory reset. And when you see that, click on it. It's going to prompt you, let you know that you're going to reset. The device will be reset. You're going to lose all user account and local data. Click continue. The screen will go into, well, you'll see a reboot. In my particular case, there was a critical update to apply. It may not be this case for you, but if it is, just let it run its course. And soon enough, you'll see the system doing a final boot up, and when it comes to this screen, you are golden. You are ready to set it up as if it was brand new in the box. Thank you very much for watching, and I appreciate any comments, but do leave me a like as well. Until next time, bye-bye.